Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to Hyundai stand here in Frankfurt Motor Show, and today we are taking a closer look at the all-new Hyundai i10. Now this small city car has gained a new nice design, so it is actually 20 millimeters wider and the roof line is 20 millimeters lower to make it look more sporty and more dynamic. You have this new front grille, and these daytime running LEDs are incorporated into this front grille, and then you have the standard lights over there, and also you have the fog lights here. Car looks pretty impressive for a small city car. I think they improved the design really by a lot. And let's see, this car has the optional 16-inch wheels. They do look very good, especially in this dual tone, so silver and black. And let me show you the rear of the car. Interesting part is this C-pillar with the i10 lettering over there. So you have the dual combination of colors, so you can have the roof in a different color, and that makes it around 22 combinations in total for this car. So the roof can be either black or red, and as I said, 22 combinations available. Let me show you the car from the rear. You have actually this small sort of diffuser, no exhaust, it's somewhere there I believe. And let's open the trunk. It's got 252 liters of storage space, so not much but not that bad either. Let's see if we have here the place for the spare tire or the reparation kit. Lights over there, and well, yeah, let me close this trunk and show you the car from the side. So a bit lower roof line makes it look much better than the previous one. I wasn't a huge fan of the previous one, but this one for a small city car looks really decent. And now it's time to show you the interior of the car, which has been improved. So first of all, I want to show you the technology that you have here. So you have a new screen in the middle, and this is actually, in terms of connectivity, the best car in its class, and I will show you now why. So what do we have here? We have a digital part here, analog cluster on the left and the right. New 8-inch screen, looks very good actually. For a small city car to have something like this, it's really almost impressive. You can have also your AC controls over there. This is actually the automatic, I believe, yeah, and you do have some of the features here. So obviously this car is fully packed, so you do have the heated steering wheel, heated seats, parking sensor, start stop button off. Let's see, so this should have also wireless charging for the phone. I believe this should be the wireless charger, and also USB port is over there. It's impressive for a car like this to have wireless charging and connectivity. Yeah, so speaking of the connectivity, this car will be available, when you buy this car you will be able to download the application, and when you download the app, then you can control some of the features of the car from your mobile, which is something that we are used to seeing in much more expensive models and not in small city cars such as Hyundai i10. You also have a bunch of safety systems such as forward collision avoidance assist, high beam assist, lane keep assist system, and also driver attention warning. And also there are some cameras for driving at the rear. So all in all, connectivity and safety systems are really, impressive for a car, as once again, of this size. Let's see the storage space. Well, this is not that big. However, you do have this extra storage over here, and here you can probably fit a smaller bottle. Let me adjust the seat for me, and then we will try to get at the back of this car. Okay, so time to head here at the back. So let's see the space that we have here. Well, it's actually pretty okay. Just a second. So here's the view you have on the front, and at the back, well, look, I'm 1 meter 87. I have space for my knees, I have space for my head. This is surprisingly well. Really, I wasn't expecting this. So, look, once again. Come on, this is so good. I can't believe that it's got that amount of space, so this is a real plus. So yeah, new Hyundai i10. Also, the sound of the closing door is pretty good. I don't know whether you can notice that on my microphone, because usually my microphone is very bad when you close the door. It sounds terrifying on every car. That's up to microphone, not the cars. But on this one it's really good. And I want to show you, so this is the i10, and then we also have the i10 N-Line. So this is more sporty version, maybe more funky version for maybe younger crowds. And you do have the redesigned front bumper, so the front LEDs are completely different, as you can see. You also have the new wheels, new wheel design. Then you have the N-Line badge. Also on the C-pillar you do have the i10 logo, however this time it is red, black roof this time. And at the back you have this diffuser and you have the real exhausts. So on the standard one you don't have the exhaust, however on the N-Line the exhausts are here. Let's open the doors so that we can see maybe if there's different something here. Okay, so well, pretty much similar. Interesting design here. You have the big 8-inch screen in the middle. This one has the manual gearbox, which is in my opinion the better choice. And that's pretty much it. Some red stitching over there, and you also have the steering wheel is a bit different. You will see that it also has the red stitching and the N-Line badge. So overall, that's it from Hyundai stand from today. So what do you guys prefer, the N-Line version or the regular one? Write me in the comments. That's it for now. See you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, of course, to see more reviews. Bye bye.